Can Social Security look at your social media if you are applying for or receiving disability benefits? I want to talk about it because it's something that most people don't think about when they're applying for disability benefits. Yes, Social Security absolutely can look at your social media, and it could impact your disability case. Now, does that mean that you'll get denied or cut off because you posted a smiling selfie? No. But here's the real danger. When your online life doesn't match your claim or your statements, Social Security has confirmed in public statements and reports that they do review publicly available social media during investigations, especially if they're trying to detect fraud. And while it's not supposed to be the sole basis for a denial, it can trigger deep scrutiny if something just doesn't add up. So some examples that we have seen: a person says they can't walk without assistance, but then they post a video dancing at a wedding, right? Someone says that they have crippling depression, they can't get out of bed, but they're posting content of themselves, maybe fitness progress photos, or other claims where people say they can't lift more than 10 pounds, but they're posting pictures of them, doing more than that, lifting a kayak or doing work outside. It doesn't necessarily prove someone's lying, but Social Security could judge your case based on that. So here's what you should do. Make your accounts private. While that's not foolproof, it limits some random access. And avoid posting about your physical activity, travel, side hustles, anything that might contradict your claim. Don't vent about your case online. What you say can be taken out of context. And if you're just joking or blowing off some steam, you don't want that to happen. Remember that your friends may share photos of you too, so their pages could become part of the picture of your claim. If you use social media for support, that's okay, but just be consistent and honest with what you've told Social Security. So if you say you have bad days, it's fine to share that, but don't claim that you can't do anything and then posting a highlight reel showing something different. And remember that disability doesn't mean that you have to stop living. Right? You're allowed to have good days. You're allowed to smile. Just make sure that your posts and your social media reflect the full truth and not just a filtered version. I've done this work for over 15 years, and I have seen social media both help and hurt a Social Security disability case. So you can follow us for more tips. You can tag someone who's been applying or has questions. You can always reach out to us if you are under review, you're being investigated, or you have any questions about your disability case.